What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be doing a review, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. So if you guys do remember, I did do the whole sound deadening in my truck, and I also did the heat insulation in my truck as well. If you guys haven't watched those videos, pretty interesting, go check them out. They're in the description box below. I took my whole truck apart. So for today's video, like I said, we're going to do a review and we're going to give away the same material. So the sound deadening and the heat insulation. There's going to be 2 lucky winners, so stay until the end of the video. If you guys do want to go ahead and enter, it's going to be a simple way to win, nothing too hard. So let's go ahead and get into the review, and then we'll do that. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, so before we do get into the review, we wanted to show you just how the product looks. This is the exact product that we're giving away for, like I said, 2 lucky winners. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and just show you what each product does. We're going to go ahead and start with this one on the right side.
On the sound system, heat shield, it will prevent your truck. So if you like sound systems, it's going to give a more solid sound. It's going to keep the cab quieter from the outside noises. And also, if you got like empty tires, it's gonna be more quieter. So I recommend using this material on your trucks, cars, whatever you're gonna put in sound system. You're gonna like it, trust me. For the other one, it's gonna keep your cab more cooler, especially right here in Cali, because sometimes it gets kind of crazy on the heat. And also on the winter, it's gonna be more warmer.
It's a good combination to have. It's actually pretty inexpensive for what you get, and it's good material. I've had mine installed for probably a year or so now, and I still love it till this day. I even have it installed in some of my other vehicles that I have, including my Civic. If you guys know, I do have a Civic. So now let's go ahead and give you guys a side-by-side comparison, and you guys will notice the crazy difference from mine, which is sound deadened, compared to my friends that isn't sound deadened. We're gonna go ahead and knock on the doors, we're gonna close the doors and just give you guys, like I said, a side-by-side comparison. It's honestly pretty crazy. Then we're gonna go ahead and turn on the music, and then turn the music on this one, and just kind of see which one we can hear more. So let's go ahead and get into that. Once again, stay tuned for the giveaway. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with his truck. I'm gonna go ahead and knock on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and close the door. So make sure you guys pay attention to this really quick, okay? So right now I'm gonna knock on it. As you can tell, it's very shallow. It doesn't really, it doesn't have sound deadening, so of course it's gonna sound like that. Test this out on your own truck, even if you don't have a Tacoma. This goes for any vehicle. So go ahead and knock on yours, and then you'll see right now. It's a huge difference. Now we're gonna go ahead and open and close the door. Make sure you listen to the sound, okay? So, as you can tell, it's very light, and it doesn't really shut. I can't explain it, but like with pressure. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to my truck and show you guys just the difference. So make sure, once again, you pay attention to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the knock test. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's more of like a solid fill. It's just, I don't know, it's good. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the open and door close test. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's more of a pressure sealed door now, and it feels a lot more solid. Like, I feel like if someone hits it, it probably won't dent it as much, which don't count my words on that because I know it's not meant for that. I'm just saying that's how it feels. So that's pretty awesome. The next test we are going to go ahead and do is, right now he's going to hop in his truck. He's going to turn on the sound system, his speakers, and we're going to play a song, see how loud we can hear it, and then we'll go ahead and turn up the same volume on my truck, and just see which one we can hear a little bit more. So let's go ahead and start with yours.
Alright, now we're gonna turn on my truck, open the switch, and put the radio, and turn on the music to see how loud it's gonna be. I'm gonna put it all the way up. Now I'm gonna close the door so you can hear the difference.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, you guys can still hear the music. Let's go ahead and now try mine out. Well, just in case someone's wondering, what speakers do you have in your truck?
I have a 6x9 Rose gate in the front, 6.5 in the middle, and 4-inch right here in the back. And also 2 sets of Rose gate as well, tweeters right here on the doors, and custom made one right here in the back. And I have the stock stereo.
Alright, so now let's go ahead and move on to mine. So now we're gonna go ahead and test my truck out. Of course, my truck is a little bit more amplified, so I don't know how good this test is actually gonna be, the comparison, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Let's do this.
And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement.
So in my truck, I do have a full OEM audio sound system in mine, but it does help with the bass, it helps with clarity, it helps with everything else. It keeps everything more inside the cab rather than everybody else hearing you outside. And it helps, I guess you can say, what, amplify the speakers a little more, right? Because it keeps everything inside. But yeah, we like this material. We're actually gonna be doing his truck next. So yeah, let's do it. There you guys go. There's the side-by-side comparison. If you guys ever see me in person, and even if you have your Tacoma around, go ahead and give yourself a feel, and well, that sounded wrong, but go ahead and check it out yourselves in person. That way you guys can kind of tell what we were just talking about. It's a little bit easier to experience it in person rather than through a camera, of course, but in all honesty, it does help out. Once again, what I have in my truck is the actual sound deadening from Noico Solutions, and their heat insulation from Noico Solutions as well. So let's go ahead and now get to the actual fun part, which is the giveaway. Once again, there's going to be 2 winners, so make sure to enter. So to win the giveaway, I'm going to make it super simple. All you really have to do is make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow Noico Solutions on Instagram, and you guys already know, be subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and comment down below, just put done. That's literally gonna be it. And then when I do pick the winner, I'm gonna ask you guys to send me screenshots. So you guys don't have to do it right now, but I'm gonna ask you guys. So whoever did enter, make sure you enter correctly. If not, you guys are gonna be disqualified and the next person gets it. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a good giveaway. If you guys do know about this material, you guys know it's good. So yeah, if you guys do want to just go ahead and purchase it, it's going to be in the description box below. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.